Hey guys, welcome to Driving TV. This is a short mini video that I decided to do, just basically showing you guys a live footage of what it's like to be out there in traffic as a beginner driver. And I hope this is very helpful. Make sure that if you do like it, thumbs up and leave your comments below. Let's get to it. Driving in traffic, it's all about adapting yourself. Yes, it could be scary the first time that you go out there alone. But by then you should obviously have already enough practice to know the laws and regulations and everything you need to know about the road and the traffic itself. But that being said, it does take a while to get comfortable, especially when you're out there and it's like right now, which is like 4 p.m. and there is, somewhat of traffic. Always remember, guys, that when you're gonna stop behind a car, you must always keep your distance. That's the first thing we're gonna talk about, distance. Like right now, I'm getting close to this car, but I'm keeping my distance from this vehicle in front. I should be able to see the wheels of the car in front, and this is all because of safety. If you get in an accident, God forbid, and they hit you in the back, you're not going to hit the car in front of you because you're maintaining distance. This is the main reason why we are always keeping distance from the vehicle in front of us. And we are always going to be keeping ourselves quite aware of our surroundings, of other vehicles in the road, always following the speed limit and maintaining our distance, as I say. So yes, like right now, you guys should know that this is a street which there's traffic of both directions. This is why we have the yellow dash line, and now we see the double solid lines, which means that you cannot cross to the other side. So we're gonna continue moving. You stay in your lane, both hands, the 903 position, as I have explained before. And your arms very, very calm, not stiff or anything like that, in order to maintain stability of the car and full control. We're gonna turn. We're gonna put our turn signal ahead of time and go right behind this vehicle, keeping the distance. Our signals on, and we're just waiting right here to turn, to make that turn. Nothing to be afraid or nervous about. Now it's time to move. We have our turn signal, and we're gonna make a smooth turn, very slowly, with full control of our wheel, not crossing our arms. And we are going to continue our turn. We are getting close to the red light. What we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna maintain our distance, stop behind the vehicle in front of us, make sure that we see their wheels to know that we are at a proper distance, and we're just gonna wait because this is gonna be a red light, but we're gonna make a left. So I want you guys to see how this is gonna be done. Obviously, turn signal. I'm already putting my turn signal on to the left, just letting other cars know that that's where I'm heading, so they are aware. In this light, it's green. You can go and make a left turn when it's the coast is clear, or you could wait for your arrow. For those of you who prefer to keep it safe and just wait for their green arrow to turn on, so then it's just your turn, exclusively your turn to go, you may. But if you want to be like me and take a chance, just go ahead and make sure everything is clear and turn. Unless it says otherwise, you can make a left turn on a green light, so just keep that in mind. Traffic is coming from the opposite direction, so I make sure that I'm staying in my lane and keeping it steady and full control of my wheel and my vehicle. speed limit, which is 30. This is the residential speed limit that you're gonna find when you're driving in a residential area, just so you know. So make sure that you follow that, because you don't want to get pulled over by any chance. Alright, so we are here, we're home, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, let me know. Guys, again, do not feel disencouraged if you feel any type of nerves. It is absolutely normal as a beginner driver. Have the courage to practice every day and get out there on the streets. Unless you don't face your fears, you will not succeed. So get out there and just drive, and you will see that you will become more confident and you'll feel much more comfortable as the days go by. With that being said, thank you so much for watching Driving TV. I will definitely see you on the next one.